How to fix Play Store can't download apps problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Play Store can't download or install apps problem using only safe and official methods from Google. Let's get started. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If downloads are stuck, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 2. Check storage space. If your phone's storage is full, Play Store won't download new apps. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care, Storage, and delete unnecessary files or apps if storage is low. Step 3. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix minor background issues. Hold down the power button, tap Restart, then try downloading again. Step 4. Clear cache and data of Play Store. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data as well. Next, repeat the same steps for Google Play Services and Download Manager. After that, restart your phone and open the Play Store again. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Play Store may stop working if the date and time are incorrect. Go to Settings, General Management, Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. Step 6. Update Google Play Store and Play Services. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, Manage Apps and Device, Updates Available. If you see Google Play Store or Google Play Services, tap Update. If not visible, don't worry, the Play Store updates automatically in the background. Step 7. Turn off VPN or data saver. If you're using a VPN or data saver mode, it might block downloads. Turn them off temporarily and try again. Step 8. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Install any available updates. Sometimes Play Store bugs are fixed with new software versions. Step 9. Remove and re-add Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, Remove Account. Restart your phone, then add your Google account again and retry downloading. Step 10. Factory reset, last option. If nothing else works, back up your data first, then go to Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. After resetting, sign into your Google account, and Play Store should work normally again. And that's it. These are all the official and safe methods to fix the Play Store download issue. No third-party apps, no risky sites. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Android Fix tutorials.